Hi, hello dear students. Good evening all. Welcome to our channel Maths with PHANEENDRA. In this video, we are going to discuss about definite integrals VSAQs. So in definite integration, we will expect two VSAQs and one SAQ and one LAQ. So we can expect any one of them. Today I will give the clear information about 2 marks question in definite integration. So evaluate integral 2 to 3 integral 2x by 1 plus x square dx. So in this question, if you observe that 1 plus x square is f of x, whose derivative is there in the numerator. Here f of x is equal to 1 plus x square. So differentiate with respect to x, dwrtx. F dash of x equal to constant derivative 0, x square derivative, that also I will write it. So f dash of x equal to 2x. So f of x value, f dash of x value. So it becomes the formula form integral, as it is limits you write it, 2 to 3 f dash of x by f of x into dx. Without limits we have formula integral f dash of x by f of x dx is log mod f of x, no? So log mod f of x, wherever limits are there, you can apply without writing plus c, you can apply 2 to 3. First f of x value, write it log 1 plus x square, then 2 to 3. So first upper limit in place of x, so log 1 plus 3 square minus in place of x lower limit log 1 plus 2 square, that is equal to log 1 plus 9 minus log 1 plus 4. So which is equal to log 10 minus log 5. Log a minus log b, log a by b. So log 10 by 5, that is equal to log 2. So therefore, the given integral value is equal to log 2. Now we'll move to another question. Here, they observe the difference between these two questions. In this question, f of x, f dash of x both available in this question. But here, not that category question. Denominator 1 plus x square, numerator is x square. So whenever like this, both the numerator and denominator degree is same, it is proper fraction. So converting it to the proper fraction, otherwise numerator also in terms of denominator you can make it. So how to make? Integral 0 to 1 x square by 1 plus x square into dx. What we have to do is, denominator 1 plus x square, I want to get a numerator also 1 plus x square. So by adding and subtracting 1 to the numerator, it will becomes integral 0 to 1 x square. We are adding plus 1 and subtracting minus 1 divided by 1 plus x square or x square plus 1. I hope you understand. So denominator 2 plus x square is there, numerator adding and subtracting plus 2. So we can split into two integrals, 0 to 1 x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 into dx minus integral 0 to 1 by x square plus 1 or 1 plus x square into dx. So we can cancel these two. integral 0 to 1 dx minus integral 0 to 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. Integral dx, x, applying the limits 0 to 1 minus integral 1 by 1 plus x square tan inverse x. So, applying the limits 0 to 1. So, x is equal to 1, substitute upper limit first in place of x 1 minus in place of x of lower limit 0. 1 minus 0 minus tan inverse of 1 minus tan inverse of 0. So 1 minus 0 is 1 minus keep bracket tan inverse of 1 pi by 4 minus tan inverse of 0 0. So 1 minus pi by 4. So therefore integral 0 to 1 x square by 1 plus x square dx equal to 1 minus pi by 4. Yeah, we'll move to the another question. Not getting. Integral 0 to pi square root of 2 plus 2 cos theta into d theta. So number of times they asked in the public exam. So integral 0 to pi square root of 2 take common 1 plus cos theta into d theta. 1 plus cos theta integral 0 to pi square root of 2 into 1 plus cos theta formula 1 plus cos a 2 cos square a by 2 1 plus cos theta 2 cos square theta by 2 into d theta. 2 2s are 4. 4 we can take outside of the root. It will become as 2. Integral 0 to pi root of cos square theta by 2. Root square cancel, cos theta by 2 into d theta. We know that formula for integral cos ax dx. Integral cos ax sin ax by a plus c. When limits are not there means plus c, write it. Here limits are there, no, don't write c. See 2 cos ax means here in terms of theta is there 1 by 2 into theta. So integral cos ax is sin ax. Sin ax means 1 by 2 theta by 1 by 2. Applying the limits 0 to pi. Do you understand this? Integral cos ax dx is sin ax by a plus c. In place of a, 1 by 2 is there here. So 1 by 2 constant you can take outside of the limits also, nothing will happen. Why? Because it is a constant. Denominator of denominator will become numerator. 2 into 2, 4. Otherwise, to understand that 2 already there. So denominator, numerator, it will become as 2 sine 1 by 2 into theta, applying the limit 0 to pi. So 2 2s are 4. Keep bracket. First in place of theta, upper limit substitute. Sine 1 by 2 into theta, that means pi by 2. Minus sine 1 by 2 into 0, 0. So that is equal to 4 into sine pi by 2, 1. Minus sine 0, 0. That is equal to 4. So this is the way you can do, dear students. Here 1 plus cos A, 2 cos square A by 2. Yeah, another question. Evaluate integral 0 to 2 square root of 4 minus x square into dx. So that is the question, dear students. Integral 0 to 2 4 minus x square into dx. First, we have to know the formula of integral square root of a square minus x square into dx. Square root of a square minus x square, x by 2 square root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of x by a plus c. When limits are not there, plus c will come. When limits are there without c, you write the formula. Integral 0 to 2 square root of, I am going to convert this value into this formula form. So in place 4 is there, no, we can write it as 2 square. Can I write like this? Minus x square into dx. Is it in this form or not? Integral square root of a square minus x square. So without limits, first keep bracket and write it. X by 2. So x by 2 into square root of a square minus x square. That means as it is I am writing 2 square minus x square plus a square by 2. What is a square in this? 2 square. 2 square by 2 into sine inverse of x by a. X by a value is equal to what? 2. Applying the limits 0 to 2. I hope you understand it, students. So here 2 get cancelled. Keep bracket. First, wherever x is there, upper limit you have to substitute. So 2 by 2 square root of 2 square minus 2 square plus one of the two cancel, 2 into sine inverse of 2 by 2. So upper limit completed. Keep small bracket. Minus, keep bracket. Yeah, wherever x is there, replace with 0. So x is equal to 0. 0 by 2 square root of 2 square minus 0 plus 2 into sine inverse of 0 by 2. So which is equal to 2 square minus 2 square. 0 into anything is 0. So this value goes to be 0. Plus 2 into sine inverse of 1 minus 0 into anything is 0 plus 2 into sine inverse 0 is 0. So that is equal to 2 into sine inverse of 1 pi by 2 minus 2 into 0 also 0. So total value goes to be 0. Here 2 get cancelled. The answer is pi. Therefore, integral 0 to 2 root over 4 minus x square dx equal to 2. Sorry, pi. Yeah. Can we move to the next question? So this is the formula you keep in mind, dear students. Integral minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 sine mod x into dx. So evaluate integral minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 sine mod x. So two possibilities are there here. One is, two methods I will explain here, both the methods. First, splitting method. Minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. This is x is greater than 0 case. X is less than 0 case, this side. X is greater than 0 means positive we are considering. X is less than 0, negative. So here mod x is there now. When x is greater than 0, it will become plus x when x is greater than 0, equal to minus x when x is less than 0. Are you getting, all of you? That are the important steps, important terms. First one, second one. Okay. From minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, I am going to split minus pi by 2 to 0, 0 to pi by 2. So integral minus pi by 2 to 0 sine mod x dx plus integral 0 to pi by 2 sine mod x into dx. Are you getting? Minus pi by 2 to 0 means x is less than 0. X is less than 0 means mod x value is minus x only. No? So here mod x you can take as minus x. Minus pi by 2 to plus 0 sine of minus x into dx plus 0 to pi by 2 sine of mod x. 0 to pi by 2 means x is greater than 0. So sine mod x is equal to x. So integral sine of minus x is minus n x. Minus we can take outside. Integral minus pi by 2 to 0 sine x dx plus integral 0 to pi by 2 sine x into dx minus integral sine x minus cos x. Here already minus is there now. So minus cos x minus pi by 2 to 0 integral sine x minus cos x applying the limits 0 to pi by 2. So minus into minus is plus. Minus we are taking out only, otherwise keep minus here. Minus cos 0 minus cos minus pi by 2 minus cos pi by 2 minus cos 0 minus cos 0 minus 1. So minus cos pi by 2 value 0 anyway minus cos pi by 2, 0 minus cos pi. So minus into minus plus 1, minus into minus plus 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. So this is the way you can do the answer, dear students. This is the way. So I said another method. Alternate method also we can do from here. So how to do is, mod x is an even function. Whenever mod x is even function, sin of mod x is also even function. It is an even function. So therefore, given integral minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, sin mod x dx is equal to 2 times of 0 to pi by 2 into sin mod x dx. I hope you understand. Here we have to apply the formula integral minus a to a f of x dx equal to 2 times of integral 0 to a f of x, when f of x is a not even function. So here also the case is even. That is the reason we are writing, dear students. So 2 times of integral sin x minus cos x, minus taking out 0 to pi by 2. So minus 2 into cos pi by 2 minus cos 0. So that is equal to minus 2 into 0 minus 1. So minus 2 into minus 1. So plus 2. If you go either this method or this method, you will get the same answer, dear students. I hope you understand. You write it. I will. Within 1 minute I will come to you. So those who are watching first time, you can share to your friends also. I already said no, after completing of Pongal holidays or 18th or 19th I will start that. Yeah, I think it's completed. I will move to another question. The coming question is very important. Wherever possibility is there, alternate methods also I will give to students. So find integral 0 to 4. Find integral 0 to 4 mod 2 minus x into dx. It's a good question, even not only for intermediate but also for MSET, JMNs also this type of question they are asking. So 0 to 4 is there. Whenever 0 to 4 questions are there, 0 to 4, from 0 to 4, in between 4, 2 is there, no? So in the real number line, 0 to 4, why I am taking 0 to 4 means according to the question, 0 to 4. 0 of this function is 2, that's why 2 also in middle I have taken. So from 0 to 2, 2 to 4. First, you can split into two integrals. Integral 0 to 2 mod 2 minus x into dx plus integral 2 to 4 mod 2 minus x into dx. But this modulus value based on the interval 0 to 2 and 2 to 4, it changes. See here, 0 to 2, that means x is less than 2. 2 to 4 means x is greater than 2. Am I right? Now, mod x 2 minus x I am calculating. 2 minus x. Mod x, just now I wrote no. Mod x equal to plus x when x is greater than 0. Mod x equal to minus x when x is less than 0. Mod 2 minus x is equal to 2 minus x when 2 minus x is greater than 0. So 2 minus x is greater than 0 means 2 is greater than x. That means x is less than 2. X is less than 2 means where we are getting? From 0 to 2 only, no? Wherever 0 to 2 is there, in this mod 2 minus x value will becomes 2 minus x. So, integral 0 to 2, mod 2 minus x will becomes 2 minus x, normal 2 minus x, without modulus. I hope you understand. Now come to another concept. Mod 2 minus x is equal to minus of 2 minus x. 2 minus x is less than 0, that is 2 is less than x, x is greater than 2. X is greater than 2 means 2 to 4 only, no? So in 2 to 4, mod 2 minus x, we can write it as minus of 2 minus x. So minus integral 2 to 4, 2 minus x into dx. Now normally integrate. So 2 into dx, 2 constant we can take outside, 0 to 2 dx. Minus integral 0 to 2 x into dx, minus 2 we can take outside, 2 to 4 dx, minus into minus is plus, integral 2 to 4 x dx. But this is very important step, dear students, to understand the concept here. We need to write compulsorily. So 2 times of integral dx is x, applying the limit 0 to 2. Minus integral x dx, x square by 2. So 1 by 2 can take out, x square, applying the limit 0 to 2. Minus 2 into integral dx is x, applying the limits 2 to 4. Plus integral x dx, x square by 2, that means 1 by 2 x square, 2 to 4. So which is equal to 2 into 2 minus 0, upper limit minus lower limit. Minus 1 by 2, 2 square, 4 minus 0. Minus 2 into 4 minus 2 plus 1 by 2, 4 square 16 minus 2 square 4. So 2 2s are 4 minus 4 minus 0 is 4, 4 by 2 minus 4 minus 2 is 2, 2 to the 4 plus 16 minus 4 is 12, 12 by 2 6. So plus 4 minus 4 get cancelled, 6 minus 2, that is equal to 4. I hope you understand, students. So this is the way you can do the answer. The same type of question we will discuss now, but limits are different as well. I'm going to drop this. Find, I'll keep it like this. Same type of question we are going to discuss now. Integral 0 to 2 mod 1 minus x into dx. This is the question. Yeah, you try 1 minute, dear students. Could you please teach yours MSET maths? Yes, MSET maths also. Yesterday I kept MSET also. No? MSET quadratic equations video 2 I kept yesterday. How many of them you saw that video? I don't know, dear students. But you can. Tomorrow, trigonometry MSET part 3 or part 4 it comes. I will explain that also. Yeah, we'll move to this question. 0 to 2 mod 1 minus x dx integration. Mod in between 0 to 2 1 is there, no? So first 0 to 2. In between 0 to 2 1 is there. So 0 to 1, 1 to 2. So first split into two integrals. Integral 0 to 1 mod 1 minus x into dx plus integral 1 to 2 mod 1 minus x into dx. This part is 0 to 1 is x is less than 1. 1 to 2 is x is greater than 1. Otherwise x is less than 2. Like this also we can consider. X is greater than 1 or x is less than 2. Now modulus definition. Mod 1 minus x is equal to mod 1 minus x, which is equal to 1 minus x. 1 minus x is greater than 0. So 1 is greater than x. X is less than 1. X is less than 1 means from 0 to 1 only, no. In place of mod 1 minus x, you have to replace with 1 minus x. So integral 0 to 1, 1 minus x into dx. Now, second one, mod 1 minus x is equal to minus of 1 minus x. 1 minus x is less than 0, 1 is less than x. So that means x is greater than 1. Whenever x is greater than 1, from 1 to 2, you can write it as minus of 1 minus x. Minus of 1 to 2, 1 minus x into dx. So 1 into dx, integral 0 to 1 into dx minus 0 to 1 integral x dx minus integral 1 into dx. So integral 1 to 2 dx minus into minus plus integral 1 to 2 x dx. So integral dx is x applying the limit 0 to 1 minus integral x dx 1 by 2 into x squared applying the limit 0 to 1 minus integral dx is x applying the limits 1 to 2. Integral x dx 1 to 2 is 1 by 2 x squared applying the limits 1 to 2. So now upper limit minus lower limit 1 minus 0 minus 1 by 2 1 minus 0 1 square minus 0 minus 2 minus 1 plus 1 by 2 into 2 square 4 minus 1. So which is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 plus 4 minus 1 3 into 1 by 2 3 by 2 minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2, that is 2 by 2. 2 by 2 means what? 1. Okay, dear students, we'll move on to another question. Especially out of 2 questions in definite integration, you may get these type of questions. Prepare thoroughly, only 2 questions in our exercise and example. So you may get this question surely in the coming 2024, which are all VSAQs. We can expect 2 questions from these 2 videos. The next question. I'm going to rub this. You can take the screenshot later otherwise. Evaluate integral 0 to a by 1 by x squared plus a squared into dx. This is one question. So another question, integral 1 to 5 1 by square root of 2x minus 1 into dx. So both the questions they asked in the public exam previously. We will discuss the solution. So this is the straight question. Integral 0 to a 1 by x square plus a square into dx. If you know the formula, you are able to do this. We know that integral 1 by x square plus a square is 1 by a into tan inverse x by a. So which is equal to 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a. Applying the limits, generally we can keep plus c, but whenever it is definite integration, this 1 by a is also constant, for that no, not required. So applying the limits 0 to a, that is equal to 1 by a tan inverse of x is equal to a, substitute a by a minus tan inverse of 0 by a, 1 by a tan inverse of 1 minus tan inverse of 0. So 1 by a tan inverse of 1 in tan, when it comes 1 here, pi by 4, so pi by 4 minus tan when it comes 0, 0. So 1 by a into pi by 4, pi by 4a. This is the way you can do that. If you come to this next question, completely different, dear students. Why? Because here integral 1 to 5 square root of 1 by square root of 2x minus 1. Whenever in denominator under root value is there, we can assume as t square. But if you take that it is t square, whenever x in terms of t, limits also will change. It is difficult one. It will take much time. More than 2 marks question it will be if you do like this. Instead of that, 2x minus 1 you take it as f of x here. Let the function be f of x be 2x minus 1. Differentiate with respect to x. F dash of x is equal to 2x minus 1, derivative is 2. Why I am writing is, in the integration we know formula integral f dash of x by root f of x into dx. Integral f dash of x by root f of x means what? 2 root f of x plus c. Whenever limits are not there means plus c. Here limits are there. But 2x minus 1 numerator 2 is not there here. So the given integral we can write it as multiplying and dividing by 2 to the given integral. So 1 by 2 integral 1 to 5, 2 divided by square root of 2x minus 1 into dx. Now it is converting into this form. So f dash of x by root f of x into dx. So 1 by 2, 2 root f of x, that means 2x minus 1. Applying the limits 1 to 5, here 2 get cancelled. That is equal to, first in place of x upper limit, the square root of 2 into 5, 10 minus 1 minus square root of x is equal to 1, substitute 2 minus 1. So that is equal to 10 minus 1, 9, root 9 minus root 1. That is equal to 3 minus 1, which is also equal to 2. This is the way you can do that. This question they ask number of times, dear students. You can keep in mind and practice these questions. Yeah, one more question and last question I am going to discuss. Tomorrow also, before trigonometry, in this 2 marks question, 0 to pi by 2, sin power mx, cos power mx, both are even numbers, both are odd numbers. Like these cases, I will explain to students tomorrow. That is video number 2. That most of the questions I covered. Still any questions are there, you can write in the comment box, page number, question number. I will try to solve the questions. Otherwise, go to the playlist. All the answers are available. Evaluate integral 0 to 4 x square by 1 plus x into dx. That is the question. So in the previous questions, both numerator and denominator degree is same, or numerator degree is less than denominator degree. That time we applied proper formulas and all. But in this case, if you observe that numerator degree is 2, denominator degree is 1, it is improper fraction. Whenever it is improper fraction, first you have to convert into proper fraction by doing actual division. What is actual division? X square you have to divide with x plus 1 or 1 plus x. Another method also I will give another possibility how to do. Generally this method is easy for every student. Here x square is there, here 1 plus x is there, x times is going to divide. X into x, x square, x into 1 plus x. So while subtracting, sign change, these two will be cancelled, minus x will be remaining. So this remainder degree should be less than or equal to the divisor. So x square we can write it as x square by 1 plus x. Here I am writing x square by 1 plus x, we can write it as. So product of these two, after that we can do this. Otherwise, like mixed fraction, x minus x by 1 plus x. This is the way also you can do that. But meaning is also you will get it as x square by 1 plus x only, dear students. So first this method I will go to integral 0 to 4 x square by 1 plus x into dx is equal to, in place of x square by 1 plus x, you have to take this one. So integral 0 to 4 x minus x by 1 plus x into dx. So integral 0 to 4 x dx minus integral 0 to 4 x by 1 plus x into dx. Integral x dx is x square by 2 only, no? Applying the limit 0 to 4. Minus, when you come to this question, again it is improper fraction. X degree 1, denominator x degree also 1. So numerator in terms of denominator you have to convert by adding and subtracting plus 1 to the numerator. X plus 1 minus 1 by 1 plus x into dx. So x is equal to 4, upper limit 4 square, 16 by 2 minus 0 minus, we can split into terms, 0 to 4 x plus 1 by 1 plus x into dx. Minus into minus plus, integral 0 to 4 1 by 1 plus x into dx. So these two will be cancelled. 16 by 2 means 8 minus integral dx is x, applying the limit 0 to 4 plus integral 1 by 1 plus x, log mod x, log mod 1 plus x, applying the limit 0 to 4. So which is equal to 8 minus 4 minus 0 plus upper limit first substitute, log 1 plus 4 minus log 1. So which is equal to 8 minus 4 is 4 plus log 1 value 0, leave it. So log 5. So 4 plus log 5. Other than this, how to do? Instead of this method, integral 0 to or 4 x square by 1 plus x into dx. Integral 0 to 4 x square by 1 plus x. X square, we are adding and subtracting plus 1 or minus 1 by 1 plus x into dx. Again split into 0 to 4, split into terms. X square minus 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus x into dx. Yeah, 1 minute. So which is equal to integral 0 to 4 x square minus 1. That means x square minus 1 divided by 1 plus x into dx plus integral 0 to 4 1 by 1 plus x into dx. X square minus 1 we can write it as 0 to 4 x minus 1 into x plus 1 divided by 1 plus x into dx. Integral 1 by 1 plus x, log mod x. So log mod 1 plus x, applying the limit 0 to 4. So 1 plus x get cancel. Integral x dx, x square by 2, applying the limits 0 to 4, minus integral 1 into dx, x, applying the limit 0 to 4, plus log x is equal to 4, substitute 1 plus 4, 5, minus log 1 plus 0, 1. So 4 square by 2, 16 by 2, that means 8, minus 4 minus 0, 4, plus log 5 and log 1 value 0. So 8 minus 4, 4 plus log 5. By saying it is easy only, but only the logic is adding and subtracting plus 1 minus 1. X square minus 1 make as one term and split into two terms. X square minus 1 can be written as x minus 1 into x plus 1. After that, we can do in this way. I hope you understand, dear students. Thank you, all of you, for your support. Any doubts are there, you can write in the comment box. In tomorrow's integral 0 to pi by 2 sine power mx cos power nx, where m is even number, n is odd number, both even numbers. Like this concept and the questions I will explain in tomorrow's session. 2 marks I will cover in the trigonometry. In definite integration with the trigonometry questions. Thank you all. Jai Hind, Maths with Phaneendrara.